So today's question is longest palindrome. It is a easy question on LeetCode, and in this question we have given a string s. Now what we have to do? We have to return the maximum length of a palindrome we can create from that string s. So our first approach we will use an unordered map, and while iterating through the through the string, we will increment the frequency of each character in the unordered map, and then we will go through the map again. Suppose the frequency of some character is even, then we can directly add it in our answer because it is even, so we can use it completely in our palindrome. Suppose if the frequency is odd, then for odd frequency we will maintain a bool is odd. Firstly, is odd is false. If we encounter any frequency to be odd, then we will make that bool variable is odd is equal to true, and we will add frequency -1 in our answer whenever we will get the odd frequency, because even from even frequency we can create a palindrome, but from odd frequency only one we cannot make it. We can take at max only one character with odd frequency to create a palindrome. So we will do this, and after iterating through the map, then we will check, in the end we will check if is odd is true, then we will return answer plus 1. Why answer plus 1? The plus 1 is for that one odd frequency character, because only at max we can take one odd frequency character. So that one is for that odd frequency character, else we will return only answer. So this is first approach. Now we can optimize it. Instead of taking the is-odd variable, now we will be taking odd character count variable int. We will initialize it with 0. Now we will start iterating through the list. We are iterating through the list. So if we will while iterating through the list, we increment the frequency of the character in the unordered map, and also check if the frequency of that same character is odd, then we will increment odd character count, else we will decrement odd character count. Doing this, in the end what we will get is, we will get odd character count, the total number of characters that are available in the string odd number of times, occurring odd number of times. So odd character count tells us that how many numbers are there how many characters are there whose frequency is odd in the string s. So simply we will then check if the odd character count is not equal to 0. Suppose it is equal to 0, then we will return complete s.length as an answer, because all characters are occurring even times. So we can take all the characters in our palindrome. Else, if the odd character count is not equal to 0, it means it is some positive integer, then we will return s.length minus odd character count plus 1. Why we are doing this? Because suppose there are two odd character count, the odd character count value is 2, means there are two characters whose frequency is odd times. So we will decrement from s.length that two characters count, because if we decrement 2, so both two frequency count will become even in our answer, and we can take one odd. So plus 1 is for that one odd frequency of the character. Yeah, let me tell you again, like we will return s dot length minus odd character count plus 1. S dot length is complete string. We will subtract it with odd character count. Means suppose there are 2 odd characters. We will, and s dot length is 10. So we will do 10 minus 2. Why we are doing 2? Because there are 2 odd characters count. And we can only take even frequency characters. So when we will subtract